If you install your Nest Cam with Floodlight, everything works fine at first, and then suddenly it goes offline, stops responding in the app, or refuses to reconnect to Wi Fi. At that point, restarting doesn't fix it, and reconnect attempts just fail. That's when a hard reset becomes the real solution. This device stores network settings and account data, and when those get mismatched, the camera won't behave properly. A full reset clears everything and lets you set it up again from scratch, restoring full control. The point is doing the reset correctly so the system actually wipes and reboots. Let's go step by step. Make sure the camera is powered and the floodlight unit is on. 2. Locate the reset button on the back or underside of the camera. 3. Press and hold the reset button continuously for several seconds. 4. Watch for the status light to flash or change, indicating reset. Number 5. Release the button and allow the device to restart completely. 6. Set it up again using the Google Home app